happy birthday sa'yo. Plus one ka na naman. Alam mo na tumatanda ka. Habang tumatanda, mas mahirap ka usapin. Charing! Leeg, yun nga, natuwa akong kausap ka sa live ko. Thank you. Tapos, syempre nag-enjoy din ako dahil may natuklasan ako na, ewan ko kung sikreto mo lang, na hindi ka marunong lumangoy. Sana matuto ka na lumangoy para hindi ka mandamay ng iba. Pag nalunod ka, ikaw lang. Walang mananamay. Yun lang. God bless you. Just enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Star.
Hi, Kuya Star! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Star.
Hello, Kuya Star. Happy birthdays and may wish more birthdays to come. Thank you.
Happy birthday sa'yo at last.
Happy birthday, Atlasan! Enjoy your day. Naway umalsa ka pa ng umalsa. Ang wish ko sa'yo is huwag ka magsasawang mag-support sa family ng Dreamstar and pagpatuloy mo lang pagiging atlasan mo at pagiging malsa. So, ayun, mag-iingat ka palagi and sa lahat ng pangarap mo is matupad and yun lang. Enjoy your day! Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Mwah!
Ayan, before anything else, charot. Happy birthday, Batchoy. Likely lang daw video to so thank you sa pagiging friendly mo sa aming lahat. Huwag kang magbago ha, palagi kang humble and nakasupport sa lahat ng host mo. Thank you so much, naging kaibigan kita sa Bigo. Sana hindi lang sa Bigo, no? And naway maging mas strong pa yung family natin na sinimulan mo. Thank you so much kasi isa ako sa itinuring mo best friend mo nga ba ko? Charot. And sa love life mo, alam ko naman na may love life ka na. So, I am happy for you. And maging successful pa sana ang career mo. Basta palagi kang healthy ha. Huwag mong kalimutan na palagi kami nakasuporta sa'yo. We love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Kuya Atlas. Happy birthday po sa'yo. I wish you all the best. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan sa work mo. God bless you always. Mahal kita bilang isang kapatid. Thank you for being my kuya since day one na na-meet kita dito sa Bigo. And ayun lang. Happy birthday, kuya. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Love you.
Star, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan. Sana yung ating family is lumago at magparami tayo. Of course, yung sarili mo naman, yung family mo, alagaan mo rin. And then, ayan, papasayan kita lang lagi at araw-araw kitang papangitiin at sa lahat. You're the best, admin, and wag mo lang kaming iiwanan for the whole month. Yes. And happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, Kuya Star. Thank you so much. God bless.
Hello boss, good morning. Aga ko talaga nagising para i-greet ka lang, Char. Parang kasalanan mo pa. Hindi boss, by the way, happy birthday boss. Wish you all the best in life. Wish you all your dreams and your heart desire come true. Wishing you good health and long life and continued success always. Thank you boss. Happy birthday.
Hi Kuya Star, this is Bluebird with Blackbird Mindset. No, just kidding. By the way, happy birthday and congratulations sa lumalaking family natin. And thank you for welcoming me sa Dreamstar family. I wish you more success sa agency natin together with your siblings, Miss Mika, Sir Jordan, and the other one I forgot was me, and the other shareholders and DSF family members. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Happy birthday once again. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Star. Keep embracing your strength. Wishing you an inspiring birthday. Always stay humble. We love you.
Hi, Kuya Star. Happy birthday! God bless po.
Kuya Star, happy birthday, Kuya Star. Kuya Star. Happy birthday, Kuya Star. Kuya Star, wish na ko para sa imo. Magwapo ka.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Kuya Star. happy birthday. Wish ko sana lumaki na yan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ingat ka palagi.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday po. God bless po. And for birthday to come po. Ingat po palagi and thank you po.
Kuya Star, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Be healthy always.
Hi Otol, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo, sa araw na to na birthday mo, at stay who you are. Maraming salamat. At sana masaya ka ngayon sa araw ng birthday mo. At happy birthday Otol. Yan lang masasabi ko.
Hello Kuya Star, happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Atlas. God bless you.
Kuya Atlas, mapagpalang araw sa iyo, isang karangalan ang batiin ka sa araw na to. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Ang hiling ko lang sa iyo, sana'y bigyan ka pa ng malusog na pangangatawan para magampanan mo ang tungkulin mo bilang isang lalaki. Sa mga babae mo, inuulit ko, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Mama Tup-Tup.
Happy birthday, Utol Atlas. My only wish is for our Heavenly Father to bless and guide you always, no? So enjoy your day, Utol. God bless you. I love you.
Uy! Birthday mo daw kakain. Happy birthday, Kuya Star. Mag-enjoy ka ha. Dapat i-enjoy mo to. Sa'yo ang araw na to ha. Dapat maging maligaya ka. Mag-akalasing kang gusto mo. Nandito kami lahat ha. Mag-aabang kami sa Bigo Channels. Happy birthday, Kuya Star. More birthday to come. And mag-ingat ka po palagi. Hoping that on your birthday, sa moving ka. Happy birthday, Kuya Star. Thank you so much sa lahat po. And hope na maging masaya ka sa araw. Charis! Happy birthday! Ingat palagi!
Ayan, love. Kaliligo ko lang. Uwi ka na din ako, galit. Happy birthday sa'yo. I miss you na. Ingat ka palagi. Wish you all the best and good health and good life. Love you.
Ay, Kuya Atlas. Happy 41 birthday, Kuya. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Enjoy ka lang lagi, Kuya. More chicks to come. Bigyan mo naman ako ng chicks. Dami na sa'yo eh. Kaya wala ako. Hindi, joke. Happy birthday, Tol. Enjoy lang lagi. Ingat. Yun lang. God bless you, Tol. Love you.
Apaka! Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa kuya kong apakataba. Yun lang. Tama na yun. Ahaba pa eh. Basta happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Okay?
Greetings! Happy birthday to you and to your family. Always remember to love your parents because they are the one who pregnancy for you. And always promote peace in order. Take good care of yourself. Study hard. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday celebrate!
Happy birthday to you, hey yo. Happy birthday to you, hey bo. Happy birthday, yay yo, yay yo. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!